Have you ever looked at the back of your iPhone and seen the words, "Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China," and wondered, is it really just made in China? Well, the truth is, your iPhone's journey spans across the globe, with parts and pieces coming from multiple countries before it lands in your hands. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cool tech stories. First things first, the iPhone is designed in California by Apple's team, but Apple doesn't make all the parts itself. Instead, it relies on a massive international supply chain. The brain of the iPhone, its chip, is manufactured by TSMC in Taiwan. The camera sensors? Those come from Sony in Japan. The display technology often comes from South Korea. The glass? Corning in the United States. And there are dozens of smaller suppliers spread across Europe and Asia, each contributing to the final product. Now, all these parts need to be put together, and that's where companies like Foxconn and Pegatron come in. For years, China's massive factories, especially in Zhengzhou, nicknamed iPhone City, have handled most of the assembly. Millions of iPhones are produced there every year. But things are changing. To reduce reliance on China, Apple has expanded assembly into India and Vietnam. Today, a growing number of iPhones are actually assembled in India, and Apple's long-term plan is to spread production across multiple countries. So, where is the iPhone made? The real answer is everywhere. It's designed in the US, powered by chips from Taiwan, lenses from Japan, glass from America, displays from Korea, assembled in China, India, and Vietnam, and then shipped worldwide. The iPhone isn't just a phone, it's a global collaboration. If you enjoyed this breakdown, tap like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. And let us know in the comments, did you already know your iPhone came from so many places?